could only rest. Rest. I am a seagull. No, that's not it. I am an actress. It doesn't matter. So he's here too? It doesn't matter. He didn't believe in the theater. He laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing myself. I lost heart. And always the strains of love, jealousy, the constant fear for the child. Now I see, Kostya, that in our kind of work, whether we're actors or writers, the important thing is not the fame, not the glory, not what I used to dream about, but learning how to endure. I must bear my cross and have faith. I have faith. It doesn't hurt so much. And when I think of my vocation, I'm not afraid of life.